So we'll talk about basic data management. We talk about how to select observation, how to combine data frame, how to merge them. And then more complicated one will be covered in the deeper package. So first, selecting observation. So here, if usually we want to set the top view observation, you should add. Say here, this one I have data frame of 2 vector x and y, x1 to 10, y is 5 to 14. Add 3. I give you first 3 row. Look at the our program. So suppose I just clean this up first. If I have this, same as the code I found in this slide, if we run this, so you see x, y, x is 1, 2, 3, y is 5, 6, and so that's why only first 3 row is there. So similarly with tail instead of getting the top, you're getting the bottom. So the same code, but instead of head, you have tail. So you have the last 3 row. So let's run it in this program. So this is the code. If you run, you can see we only have the last 3 row. So this is how you set observation. So now here is how to do it by removing. So it's let the first 3, but suppose we want to remove the last 2. Okay, keep the last 2. So it's head, but instead of positive, negative. Negative 2 will kick out the last 2, and tail negative 2, kick out the first 2. So let's see the code. Suppose we have the same slide in our same code as a slide. So if you do this, right, we have the last 2 rows, 8 and 10, it's gone, right? So if you have tail negative 2, the first 2 rows is gone. So that is how you can use head or tail rather conveniently. And the next is called merge. So usually your data are the same shape, same number of observation. You want to combine them together. If they sort correctly, then you want to combine them. Then it's called C-bind. It's a column bind, so you don't really care. It just copy and paste together. That's how the C-bind works. So that's why I just basically side by side merge. So this the code is same as what we found in the slide. So you just copy it, and you see, okay, the first 2 columns is df1 and second column is df2. When they C-bind df3, it just combine directly. Nothing new. Horizontal merge. Sometimes you want to merge it by key. So your key here is an ID. The same thing across two data table. So here I have AB is an identifier ID. So you just the ID is not is the thing you try to how it merge. So here sorted. So that's why when you combine, that they combine based on the ID. Look at the slide. So here I have the same thing here. If you run this, okay, you have this is merge. So you have it. I run it. I have A correspond to 1, B is 2, and A is 3, and B is 4, right? Suppose I change df2 to B.B.A. Okay. Here you will see things swap for the y because they're not sort at the same time, so it become 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay, this is how they are different, are merged. So finally, we want to talk about vertical outbind. So suppose the data may be cut into multiple files. So when you want to combine, outbind just row bind. So here's A, B, B, A, B. Then you just row across it. Then outbind just combine it directly. But it only works when they have the same column name. If otherwise, they will complain. So let's see here how it works. Same thing here. If you run it, this is the result. So we learn head, tail, outbind, C-bind, and merge. Thank you.